Good morning, students. Today we will read lesson 18 in English Reader book. Take out your English Reader book. Lesson 18, An Inch of Gold. An inch of gold. Do you know what is gold? Yes, your mama put on neck chain that is made of gold, and your mama put on ring in the finger that is also of gold. Okay, inch is the measurement. Okay, an inch of gold. New words: prayed, clothes, knife, troubled, bleed, agreed, bowl, shocked. Okay, now we will read lesson. A poor farmer and his wife lived in a village. They had 7 sons, but the sons were lazy. Not active, lazy. They did no work. So the family was poor. You can see in the picture, this is the farmer and this is his wife, and these are the sons, and all the sons are lazy, very lazy. They did no work, so the family is very poor. Okay, next page. One night the woman had a dream. Do you know what is dream? आपको भी आते हैं ना कभी कभी सपना, रात को जब सोए होते हैं तो नींद में ड्रीम आता है ना. A snake came to her and told her that if she kept milk for him every night, we would come to her. He told her to cut off an inch of his tail. Every night it would turn into gold. One night the woman was sleeping and she had a dream. And in the dream a snake came to her and told her that if she will keep milk for him every night, then he will come to her every night. And he told also that you can cut off an inch of his tail every night, and that tail will turn into gold. It will become precious. Okay, so the woman kept a bowl of milk in her room. At night the snake came and drank the milk. Then she took out a knife and cut an inch of his tail. It turned into gold. Every night the same thing happened. Okay, now the woman kept a bowl of milk in her room every night. The snake came and snake drank the milk, and then the woman cut an inch of his tail, and every night the tail turned into gold. एंड एवरी नाइट द सेम थिंग हैपन. हर रोज ऐसा ही होता था. स्नेक आता था, मिल्क पीता था और वो उसकी टेल काट लेती थी. द पुअर फैमिली नाउ बिकेम रिच. द पर्सन हु हैज a lot of gold, he or she is rich. Okay, now the family was rich. They had money for food. The 7 sons, the 7 boys were dressed in good clothes. Now you can see in the picture, all are wearing good clothes, but they wanted more and more money to spend, so they begged their mother to cut 2 inches of the snake's tail. The woman cuts 1 inch of his tail every night, but now the sons are greedy and they said कि mama please cut 2 inches of the snake's tail and we will be more rich then. The mother did not agree, but the sons troubled her a lot. At last, the mother agreed. The sons asked her again and again, their mother, please cut 2 inches of tail, please cut 2 inches of tail. And at last, the mother agreed. That night when the snake came, she gave him the bowl of milk. Then she took the knife and cut 2 inches of his tail. That night when snake came, she cut 2 inches of his tail. The snake started bleeding. Within a few minutes, he was dead. Now, when the mother cut 2 inches of the tail, then the snake was dead. The woman was shocked, very sad. She cried loudly. Her 7 sons came. When her sons heard her voice, they came into the room. They saw that the 2 inches of tail had not turned into gold. They saw that 2 inches of the tail had not turned into gold because snake told them that only 1 inch of tail will turn into gold. But now their mother cut 2 inches of the tail and it does not turn into gold. Alas, they cried, we were greedy. Greedy means है ना, लालची, जो लालच करते हैं कि हमें और ज्यादा चीज मिल जाए. नाउ वी हैव नो गोल्ड एंड द स्नेक इज डेड. नाउ दे ऑल क्राइड एंड से दैट वी आर ग्रीडी एंड नाउ वी हैव नो गोल्ड एंड द स्नेक इज डेड. And all are crying in the picture. You can see here. Okay? Now you will read this lesson carefully. Okay? Thank you.